Hi there, Emer from Studyclix here, and in today's video I'm going to give you a quick run through of our site and how the features are going to help you study better. So here we're on your homepage and you can have all your selected subjects. Let's take biology for example. When you click into it you can see that we've broken up into all of the topics that come up on the papers. This makes it a lot more manageable and easy to study. So what happens when you click into something? Let's take cell division for example. You get all the past exam questions that have ever come up on cell division. What you can do is find a question, see if you can answer it, and then when you're ready, click Show Marking Scheme to see the answer and see if you got it right. This saves you a lot of time instead of having to try and find the marking scheme elsewhere. To the right of this, you'll see we have the exam builder. This lets you create and build your own quizzes and test yourself. To the right of that again, you have your videos and notes. This is where we keep our YouTube videos, notes, websites, all the extra resources you need to really grasp a topic. Over here we have our discussion forum. This is where thousands of students come online every day to ask questions, answer questions and give advice. Here we have our papers page. This lets you look at, print and download full papers or also paper booklets. And then here we've got our quizzes feature, which is a really cool new tool which lets you practice topics or a full subject in short quizzes form, so really interactive, short, fun, and you can also save your results and come back and check your progress. So this is a really cool tool. Up here we have our blog. This is where you can find lots of study advice, tips, subject guides, everything you need to get through the exams, school, study, you can find it on the blog page. And then finally, I just want to talk you quickly through our pricing. So as a student, there are 3 different types of pricing. You have the basic account, which is completely free and you can use for as long as you want, but it is limited. You don't get access to everything on the site. The Plus upgrade is $39.99 for a year and you get all the exam questions by topic, you get all the marking schemes, exam builder and so on. But the best option would be the premium one. It's only €60 for 12 months and you get access to everything on the site. So all state exam questions and marking schemes, all the mock questions, which is really handy when you want to really be prepared and have all the questions practiced. You can also get full access to our quizzes and save your results and everything else listed here. So the premium one is really the one we recommend as it is the best value for money and is really going to help you enhance your study and get the best that you can in those exams. So if you have any questions about the site or the pricing, do let us know. Otherwise, I hope this video helped. Have a great day and I hope to see you using the site soon.